GST and Business Models, Masters of Commerce, 4th semester, Mangalore University, Session 5. GST and Business Models. In this session, you're going to learn about SGST, CGST, and IGST. Learning objective to know the different type of taxes charged under GST. Session objective to identify the difference among SGST, CGST, and IGST. Taxes under GST. So basically, in GST, the taxes are levied on two movements. That is, one is interstate movement. That is, if the goods and services are being transferred from between the states, that is known as interstate movement. If the goods and services are transferred within the state, then it is known as intrastate sale. Under interstate sale, IGST will be levied. If it is an intrastate sale, then SGST or UTGST and CGST will be levied. So now let us try to understand one by one what are they. The government will collect the CGST, SGST and IGST depending on whether the transaction is intrastate or interstate. When the supply of goods or services happens within a state called the intrastate transactions, then both CGST and SGST will be collected. Whereas if the supply of goods or services happens between the states called as interstate transaction, and IGST will be collected. It is to be noted that the GST is a destination based tax which is received by a state in which the goods are consumed but not by a state in which such goods are manufactured. Unlike earlier, when there were multiple taxes such as central excise, service tax, and state VAT, etc., under GST, there is just one tax. So, what is CGST? Under GST, CGST is a tax levied on intrastate supplies of both goods and services by the central government and will be governed by the CGST Act. SGST will also be levied on the same intrastate supply but will be governed by the state government. This implies that both the central and state governments will agree on combining their levies with an appropriate proportion for revenue sharing between them. However, it is clearly mentioned in Section 8 of the GST Act that the taxes be levied on all intrastate supplies of goods and or services, but the rate of tax shall not be exceeding 14% each. Next is SGST. Under GST, SGST is a tax levied on intrastate supplies of both goods and services by the state government and will be governed by the SGST Act. As explained above, CGST will also be levied on the same intrastate supply but will be governed by the central government. Note: any tax liability obtained under SGST can be set off against SGST or IGST input tax credit only. An example for CGST and SGST can be illustrated below. So let us suppose take for example Rajesh is a dealer in Maharashtra who sold goods to Anand in Maharashtra worth rupees 10,000. The GST rate is 18%, which is comprising of the CGST rate at 9% and SGST rate of 9%. In such case, the dealer collects rupees 1800, of which 900 will go to the state central government and 900 will go to the Maharashtra government. Next, IGST. Under IGST, GST, IGST is a tax levied on all the interstate supplies of goods and or services and will be governed by the IGST Act. IGST will be applicable on any supply of goods and or services in both cases of import into India and export from India. Note, under IGST, export would be zero rated and taxes will be shared between the central and the state government. An example for IGST. Consider that a businessman, Rajesh from Maharashtra, has sold goods to Anand of Gujarat worth rupees 1 lakh. The GST rate is 18% of 18% IGST, and it is comprised of IGST of 18%. In such case, the dealer has to charge rupees 18,000 as IGST, and this IGST will go to the center. The differences among the SGST, CGST, and IGST. Criteria for distinction. First, the full form of SGST is State Goods and Services Tax. CGST stands for Central Goods and Services Tax. IGST stands for Integrated Goods and Services Tax. Meaning, SGST is one of the components of GST levied and collected by the respective state government of intrastate supplies. Such a tax is governed by the State Goods and Services Act of 2017. CGST is another component of GST levied and collected by the central government on intrastate supplies. Such a tax levied is governed by the Central Goods and Services Act 2017. IGST is a third component of GST levied and collected by only the central government on interstate supply of goods or services. The tax so collected is then apportioned between the central and respective state government where goods are consumed. Such a tax levy is governed by the Integrated Goods and Services Tax 2017. Applicability. The SGST is applicable in case of intrastate supplies where the location of the supplier and place of the supply are in the same state or the union territory. CGST is also applicable in the case of intrastate supply where the location of the supplier and the place of supply are in the same state or union territory. IGST is applicable in case of interstate supply where the location of the supplier and the place of supply are in two different states and two different union territories and a state and a union territory. Next, collection of taxes. SGST is collected by the respective state government. CGST is collected by the central government. IGST is collected by the central government. Claim of input tax credit. The claim of SGST credit is available only against SGST and IGST in the same order. The claim of CGST is available only against CGST and IGST in the same order. The claim of IGST is available against IGST, CGST, and SGST in the same order. Applicability of the composition scheme. A registered taxpayer can apply for the tax for the composition scheme if his aggregate turnover is up to 1.5 crore. A registered taxpayer under CGST can apply for the composition scheme if his aggregate annual turnover is up to 1.5 crore. Under IGST, the composition scheme is not applicable in case of interstate supplies. Thank you.